In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your team screen share problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is ensure that you have a stable internet connection and meet Teams system requirements. The other thing you can try to do is restart your Teams and your device. So completely restart and your PC as well. The other thing you want to do is go to your settings, privacy and screen capture, and ensure that the Microsoft Teams is allowed on screen capture. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and update your Microsoft Teams to the latest version. You might also need to update your graphics driver on your PC, or you could also try closing conflicting applications like VPNs, remote desktop screen recorders, and many more. The other thing you can also do is allow Microsoft Teams through the firewall antivirus and temporarily disable it to test it again. If that doesn't work, then you might have no other options but to simply go ahead and contact the support team at aka.ms/teamshelp. Or you could also go to support.microsoft.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.